Welcome to a short tutorial on CBAP Experience Calculator from Adaptive Processes. I am Ellen Mishra. I work as Principal Consultant. So as we start with this template is very helpful for anybody who is planning to appear for CBAP examination, because as you may be aware, one needs to pay $125 to get one's application checked by IIBA, and there are numerous instances when the applications have been rejected by IIBA due to wrong calculation of experiences. So this template will help us to understand how to put our efforts properly so that our applications do not get rejected with IIBA. So in the beginning, we have a cover page, which is very simple, and it tells how the document has been created over time. The instruction is very simple. The only cells which are in white can be edited. Rest all have been made non-editable so that you do not make mistakes in computation. The consolidated sheet provides an overview of all the experience that you have put in and whether you qualify as per the CBAP requirements or not. So here, if you observe, this sample experience calculator has about 9,392 hours of effort. And if you observe, in almost all areas, we have crossed the boundary requirements of 900 hours. So most likely this application will go through without any trouble. So we come to the project section. This is where we start inputting our experiences. This template provides you provision for entering up to 20 projects experience, which we would believe is generally good enough for a person with about 10 years experience. In case you have many small projects, what we would advise is to combine some of them into one major project type. So here, what do we enter in the project related information? So we put the project name, and then we put a start date and then end date. And there's a simple rule saying end date must be greater than start date. Then the template actually computes the maximum possible effort that you should be claiming on this particular project. So as you understand that it's not 8 hours per day. We have in general taken 120 hours per month, which is internationally accepted norm. If you want to go beyond it, it is a bit risky. So we generally advise it to be close to this. Then what one needs to do is to come down and start putting the efforts in this particular bracket. So if you see here, this gentleman or lady has put this many hours, and in fact, she or he is not utilizing the full 3400 available to her. So I would suggest that he or she can modify this. Suppose if I make it 600, I still have about 180 available. So I'll add here 600. So I'm close to this, and then this may be 420. So that matches with the 3400 here. So this field and this field should match. Then the system automatically computes the percentage distribution and makes it to 100%. Then what we start doing is for each knowledge area, the template guides you whether it is a BA activity or not. So you have to check this as yes and no. It's possible that you have done some non-BA work in the project, because it's impossible for someone to do only 100% BA work. So in general, what we advise is your BA experience should be between 80 to 85% of the total project experience. You can stretch it to up to 90, but going beyond 90 would not be very advisable. So once you start putting in all these efforts, then you come to the consolidated page and start looking at whether you are well off within the ranks. Sometimes you may intelligently distribute the effort, because if you have, it's safe to be at least in 4 knowledge areas to be above 1500, so that even if IIBA discounts little bit of an effort, you'll still be above the 900 mark. So if you in 1 or 2 areas you are a little weak, even going down on effort on that area would make sense. In general, we would advise something like 8,500 hours plus effort to be described in this template, so that the final effort doesn't come down below 7,500. In case you are interested to have this template, please visit our website, and it is available at a very nominal price. Our website is www.adaptive processes.com. Thank you.